Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to compress a file or folder using WinRAR. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here I have a folder that I want to compress. To check its current size, right-click on the folder, click Show More Options, then go to Properties. As you can see, the folder is currently 576 megabytes. First, download and install WinRAR. It offers a free trial, and you can also purchase the full version if you want. Once WinRAR is installed, right-click on the file or folder you want to compress. You'll now see WinRAR options in the menu. Click Add to Archive. A new window will appear. You can rename the archive, for example, I'll name mine compressed. Next, choose your archive format RAR, zip. I personally prefer RAR. On the right-hand side, under Archiving Options, you can enable Create Solid Archive for better compression. Now click OK. WinRAR will start compressing the folder. After it finishes, you'll see the new compressed file. As you can see, the size has now reduced from 576 megabytes to 288 megabytes, which is nearly half the original size. To open the archive, simply double-click it. You can now browse through the files inside the archive. And that's it. You've successfully compressed your file using WinRAR. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'll see you in the next one.